welcome back to Crabtree Creations. I hope all of you had a wonderful Easter. But now that Easter's over, I'm taking down all my Easter decorations and I'm taking down my Easter wreaths that I made. So I need something to replace them. So I am going to be showing you a cute spring and summer wreath that you can use all spring and summer long. The items that I am going to be using is this water pitcher that I found at the Dollar Tree. And then these flowers, I have these yellow roses that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then these red Gerbera daisies. I've always called them Gerber daisies, but anyways, and then these blue irises. And then I have these purple irises. And then these orange Gerber daisies. And then I have these Gerbera. I don't know how you say it. Gerbera. I have these two yellow Gerbera clips. And they're just like a clip that you can clip onto something. And then I have this jute twine and some scissors and some hot glue sticks, a hot glue gun, and you probably can tell I have a pool noodle in front of me. Well, so I have lots of pool noodles and a lot of them are all torn up from last season. So if you don't have pool noodles, or if you have a project that you need a lot of floral foam for, you can get a pool noodle and use it as floral foam. It works great. So I'm going to be using this down in here like that for floral foam. So I am going to put that back down in there and see where I want to cut it. I want to cut it about right here. And pool noodle is very easy to cut. Super, super easy. And then I'm just going to put the rest of this pool noodle over to the side. Okay, so then now I'm going to get my pitcher and I'm going to fold this down in there just like that. But I want it to stay really well, so I'm going to put some hot glue on it. I'm going to put hot glue on this side. It's going to touch my pitcher. And this side is going to touch my pitcher. Okay, and then very carefully, so I don't burn myself, I'm going to fold it and put it down in there so the hot glue adheres to the side of my pitcher, just like that. So I'm going to hold it there for a minute so the hot glue has time to adhere. Okay, now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the tags off of all my flowers. Roses don't have it. Okay, so I want this to hang on my door like this. Okay, so this is going to be the part that's going to go out. So I want these colors to be the ones on the outside and these colors to be the ones on the inside of my wreath. Okay, so I'm just going to poke this down into the pool noodle. Actually, I would like iris on one side. My daisies on one side. My roses in the middle. and these daisies on the other side. Okay, so just like that. And then I'm gonna place, I turn around so you can see what I'm doing on this side. I'm gonna place these down in there, and then these down in there. Just like that. I'm gonna pull these up a little so you can see them a little bit better. Let me see. There you go. There you go, just like that. Okay, now I think I'm gonna get some Spanish moss and put it down in there. And I'm just gonna put it down in there to cover up the full noodle and the stems of my flowers. Spread it around. Okay, so that's what I have. I have a little bit of Spanish moss so you can see in the front. And then I put some Spanish moss in the back. Okay, so I'm gonna clean this up a little. Whoa, calm down. Okay. Then I'm gonna get my flower and I'm gonna take the clip off of it. Clip comes off really easy, just like that. And then I'm just going to hot glue that to the front of my picture. Okay, now I'm going to hang it on the door, and I want it to be kind of tilted when I hang it on the door. So I'm going to turn it around to the back. I'm going to cut off just a little bit of jute twine. And then I'm going to hot glue this at an angle like that so that it'll hang on the door like that at a tilt. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little hot glue over here and then a little hot glue over there. And I'm gonna put my jute twine down in my hot glue. And then I'm gonna put another bead of hot glue on the outside of both, and then I'm gonna let that sit and dry, and I will show you a picture of what it looks like on my door. Once I got this wreath outside and put it on my door, it was not hanging and staying like I wanted it to. So I came and got some of this burlap ribbon, and I hot glued some to the back of the wreath, and then I brought it through the flowers, as you can see. Let me peel them away so you can see. Brought it through there. And then I'm gonna hot glue it down behind this flower. Just like that, to give it a little bit more stability on my door. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.